My kitchen, the heart of my home, is a space filled with warmth, aromas, and the rhythmic symphony of culinary endeavors. It's a haven where creativity meets necessity, where the mundane transforms into the extraordinary. As I step into this culinary domain, a world of possibilities unfolds before me, and the journey of flavors begins. The kitchen, often considered the nucleus of a household, is a reflection of one's culinary prowess, personal preferences, and cultural influences. It's a space where raw ingredients undergo a magical metamorphosis, turning into delectable dishes that satiate both hunger and the soul. Each corner of my kitchen tells a story, an amalgamation of memories, traditions, and experiments. The layout of my kitchen is designed with functionality and aesthetics in mind. The countertops, adorned with an assortment of utensils, stand as silent witnesses to the countless hours spent in culinary exploration. The cutting board, worn with the marks of diligent chopping, narrates tales of precision and skill. In the center of the kitchen stands a sturdy wooden table, its surface a canvas for culinary artistry. The pantry, a treasure trove of spices, grains, and condiments, is a testament to the diversity of my culinary repertoire. Rows of neatly arranged jars filled with vibrant spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric, lend a spectrum of colors to the shelves. The comforting aroma of cinnamon and vanilla wafts from a corner, invoking memories of baked delights that have graced my kitchen. As the morning sun streams through the window, my kitchen comes alive with the promise of a new day. The gentle hum of the refrigerator, a guardian of fresh produce and leftovers, is a constant reminder of the need for sustainability and mindful consumption. The refrigerator door, adorned with magnets from past travels, serves as a visual timeline of culinary experiences around the world. The stove, a culinary maestro in its own right, stands ready to transform raw ingredients into gastronomic delights. The flames dance beneath pots and pans, orchestrating a symphony of sizzles, pops, and fragrant releases. The rhythmic clatter of utensils against the stove's metallic surface is the percussion that accompanies this culinary concerto. In the corner, the oven beckons with the promise of baked goodness. It has witnessed the rise of bread, the bubbling of casseroles, and the golden perfection of cookies. The warmth emanating from the oven is not just physical, it carries with it a sense of comfort, a reminder that the kitchen is a place where both body and soul find nourishment. The sink, a humble yet indispensable part of my kitchen, is the epicenter of cleanliness. It is where utensils, having fulfilled their culinary duties, find solace in a warm bath. The rhythmic flow of water, the gurgle as it spirals down the drain, is a metaphor for the cyclical nature of cooking, a continuous loop of preparation, consumption, and cleaning. My kitchen is also a canvas for culinary experiments, where recipes are not just followed but tweaked and personalized. The cookbooks lining the shelves are not instruction manuals, they are sources of inspiration, inviting me to embark on culinary adventures. The kitchen becomes a laboratory, and I, the alchemist, blend flavors and textures to create dishes that are uniquely mine. The dining table, an extension of the kitchen, is where the fruits of labor are shared and savored. It is a gathering place for family and friends, where laughter mingles with the aroma of freshly cooked meals. The clinking of cutlery, the murmur of conversation, and the joyous exclamations over a well-prepared dish create a symphony of communal enjoyment. My kitchen is a testament to the cyclical nature of life. It has witnessed celebrations and comforting meals during times of sorrow. It is a space where traditions are passed down through generations, where family recipes are cherished and recreated. The kitchen, in its unassuming way, becomes a bridge between the past and the present, a keeper of culinary heritage. As day turns to night, my kitchen undergoes a subtle transformation. The soft glow of overhead lights replaces the natural sunlight, casting a warm ambience. The clatter of pots and pans gives way to the gentle simmering of stews and soups, filling the air with anticipation. The evening becomes a canvas for slow-cooked delights and shared moments of respite. In the solitude of my kitchen, I find solace and inspiration. It is a space where I am both student and master, learning from the recipes of the past while creating new ones for the future. The culinary journey, like life itself, is a blend of tradition and innovation, a delicate balance of flavors and textures that evolve with each passing day. In conclusion, my kitchen is more than just a physical space, it is a living, breathing entity that evolves with the ebb and flow of life. It is a sanctuary where the alchemy of ingredients transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. As I bid farewell to my kitchen at the end of each day, I carry with me the flavors, aromas, and memories that make it truly mine, a testament to the enduring magic of this culinary haven.